Hey, welcome back to Twin Cities Live. Carly Zucker is co-hosting the show today. Okay, Carly, when you pull out a jar of pickles from the fridge, technically we should be calling them what they actually are, which are pickled cucumbers. Not just pickles,
because you can pickle a lot more than just cucumbers.
Isn't this exciting? Here with advice on home pickling, as well as a tasty recipe too, we want to welcome back Cooking for Dad's host, Rob Barrett. Rob, a new pickling enthusiast.
I know. See, I grew up in Pennsylvania, central Pennsylvania, where they pickle everything.
Even mugs, like Carly suggested.
So here you can see little Rob growing up.
Stop. That is you.
They would pickle beets, pickle everything. I just didn't care for it at all. And then, so I didn't do pickles. My entire life until about a month ago we went to Brasa. Have you been to Brasa?
Oh, I love Brasa.
Oh, yes, I love Brasa.
The happy hour nachos, which they only serve during happy hour, have pickled onions on it. And we're like, this is the best thing ever. So now we're pickling everything. I don't still like pickled cucumbers. I mean, I'm coming around on them a little bit.
But like pickled red onions, pickled other things. So you've got lots of great ideas here. Now explain to people, when you're doing the pickling, are you doing a canning deal or are you doing a quick refrigerator pickle?
Quick refrigerator pickle.
Okay.
So we're gonna do.
That's what I like.
Mandolin up some onions. You can slice them, but
I gotta be careful.
You really need to get a mandolin if you want.
Thin ones.
Thin ones, and they're pretty powerful. So thin is good. You can control. That's perfect.
That's good.
So you're gonna throw those in there.
Ooh, man, those are
thin. I've never owned one of these. I need to get one.
Yeah.
You do.
I mean, I'm a grown-up. I should have one.
You gotta be careful though. They can slice your finger right off.
Right. You can even do a little jalapeno. They do a little jalapeno. Throw in a pinch of sugar. So
can I do the pinch of sugar?
Pinch of sugar. And then I use 2 different vinegars for pickling. I do rice vinegar most of the time, and then we also do apple cider vinegar. So,
man, that's a spicy one.
I've never used rice vinegar for pickling, so interesting. I'm learning so much.
Jerry, the best.
You like this better than like a plain white vinegar that you use for cleaning too?
I don't like that. I'm not a big white vinegar fan.
Okay.
I'm a vinegar snob.
That is that is a better.
Smell this. It's very, very mild.
Yeah.
This is better than just like a cleanie. Yeah.
Then you always have that on hand. So how long does this have to sit before it's like crisp and pickly?
It's ready to go in about an hour, but you can. This has been going for about 2 months. Ever since Brasa. So we just keep adding to it. We just keep adding to it.
Oh, wow.
And every once in a while I'll say, we're getting low, and you get out the mandolin, slice up a couple, throw it in.
Yeah.
And then we put them on everything. So this is this chicken burger from Costco. You just microwave that up, boom. Put them on that. Eggs all the time, you know. And then we'll get to the salad.
What does the fine Mrs. Barrett do when you just get obsessed with something like this and then it's on everything? Because I know you, Rob Barrett, this is not the first time this has happened.
There's a little bit of eye rolling that goes on.
And your fridge is packed with is it just boxes of storage?
So especially coming in today, we had our own set and then the TV set.
And the TV
set. Oh my gosh.
The fine Mrs. Barrett thought my salad's a little soupy, so you can weigh in on that. But I like the mayo. I like the mayo, you know.
I like the mayo.
Okay, so pickled carrots, big in Vietnamese food and banh mi and stuff. So what's you can slice them, or you can get this little guy.
Show me, how do you use that?
Yeah, all you're gonna do, it's like the peeler. You get these at the state fair.
Yeah.
And then you just go like this, and it just.
Oh yeah, I would hurt myself, but it looks.
No, try it.
Okay.
Oh, that's where it's at, though. That makes the carrots shreddy for salads.
Look at that.
Oh,
but it's better than a box grater.
Oh yeah.
That's way cool.
It's super easy, and you can control how much you want, and then.
Oh yeah.
Plus, it looks like you found it in your grandma's drawer or something, which is very charming, don't you think?
It's a state fair. It's a state fair.
I got to get one of those.
It looks like that belongs in a barn.
I know.
Okay, so throw those in here, and then we'll do a pinch of sugar again, Miss Reimers.
Okay, I'll do the pinch. Yep, I got it. Yep.
And then we will do apple cider vinegar in here. I sometimes mix and match.
So good.
So good.
Right, and so I use this in sandwiches and in eggs, but also as like a side with pork. So like a Vietnamese pork, put it on as your vegetable.
Oh, this is where it's at.
Yeah.
Okay, I got to do that.
Lastly, eggs. So these eggs have been pickling for 2 days. Let's see how far in they got.
Now listen, people, this is going to be a hard sell for people, Rob, because they're going to freak out about a pickled egg.
This is a soft-boiled pickle.
Yeah, can
we do it?
Yeah, try it. It's going to be soury.
I love that.
I know. I like it.
I love this.
Okay, so you can make egg salad, or you can make
That's so good.
pickled egg salad.
Pickled egg salad.
So do you have one of these? Do you have an egg slicer?
No.
Nope.
Okay,
I
super
don't.
easy.
I have a knife.
I'm gonna make a stop on the way home.
Yeah, no kidding.
All the things you don't.
You got to call
need.
your pampered chef
So
representative.
we do this, and then you're gonna turn it around, do it again, boom, there you go.
Genius.
That's pretty fun.
Yeah, so we're gonna do 2 of those.
I feel like kids would have fun with that thing too. And
Yeah.
now, when you've pickled the eggs, what have you done with that sort of pickling brine?
What do you mean?
Like,
That
what
looks
is
like
it?
it-
Just
is
the
it the
same
rice?
vinegar?
Is it
or
these
what
That's
kind
the
of
same.
vinegar? Yeah.
So eggs, you hard boil the eggs,
Yep.
peel them,
Yep.
put them in a thing, cover them with rice or apple cider vinegar. This is about half and half.
Mm-hmm.
And then the key is to add red onion. So you do onions at the same time. Now notice how these onions are red,
Yeah.
and these onions
that?
are white.
Yeah.
The eggs take out the flavor
That's
and absorb
why
it.
it's
Isn't that-
pink right here.
Right.
Yeah.
Isn't that
Genius.
interesting?
Wild.
Do you ever heat your like hot water to speed up the process, or do you not?
You know, it's so fast.
Okay, that you don't ever need- yeah.
And the eggs, you know, once again, the eggs can be 2-3 months.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, they can last a long time. Or you can do it.
I'm a
you know-
procrastinator, so I heat the water because it tends to
Really?
speed
I've
up the
never-
process. Yeah, fun fact.
This is great, Carly.
Well,
I love hearing this.
Okay,
Yes.
so we're gonna do a little red pepper.
Okay.
Okay.
Pour that
We're
in.
gonna do some.
In this guy.
In this guy,
yeah.
roasted corn.
Roasted corn.
Now you know you
Okay.
can roast your corn on your gas stove. Do you
Yep.
have the clip of this? This is about as.
Listen, we've
I
been
don't
having
know.
a lot of roasted corn on this show lately.
Really?
Like, for some reason,
So
it's just been a part of the recipes, and I'm obsessed now.
I do it on the gas
Okay.
on the
Yeah,
gas stove.
that's
just,
great.
just lay it right on the.
This
on the,
is
on
so
the
much.
oven.
I was doing it in my cast iron pan because I didn't want to go out to the grill, so this is brilliant. I'm gonna
Yeah.
use that trick now.
So chives or green onions. Give it a little shot of pepper.
Okay, pepper it up.
You can do a spoonful of honey.
This is unlike any. Here, Carly, we don't even need these. Let's just
yeah,
toss
just
these, right?
put
We'll
those
just
aside.
toss it.
I am
We're
busy
Little-
with food.
Yeah, we got
Sriracha?
stuff to do.
Did you just say a spoonful
Yes.
of honey?
A spoonful of honey.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna let you do the mayo so the fine Mrs. Barrett doesn't think I'm too soupy.
Yeah, because I mean, I get it. You know,
Yeah.
I get her perspective
See, and I
here.
like mine
can
less
always add-
mayo-y, so
Yeah,
You
like
can
I
always
would-
add more.
Yeah, and you
And then
can't
a shake of garlic salt.
take it away.
easy
You
peasy,
need
but
a
looks
little bit
delicious.
more than
Okay,
that.
gosh, I'm just making it how Carly, my guest,
Yes.
would like it.
Oh, okay.
This is
Yes.
Carly, don't you think?
That looks perfect.
This is the perfect consistency.
It's not soup. It's not
Yes,
rice.
this
I
is.
it got away from me today. I will admit, it got away from me. Okay, so you
Yeah.
can eat this. Try that.
Okay, I'm just gonna dig a little fork in there. Here,
Yeah,
Carly, you want
I'll
to try
take a
that?
little-
So
fork,
you
yeah.
and I, Elizabeth, have a great love of breakfast sandwiches.
We do. Yep, I had one this morning.
As did I. Red onion, pickled onions on breakfast sandwich.
Whoa,
That is.
that's
It
really
hits you.
great.
Thank you.
Is that all your things? That's all
This
the things
is all
for
my
you.
things. This is all my things.
Yeah.
Please tell me this will be somewhere on the website.
You can have yeah, it's going to be on the website.
Also,
and you can
goodbye.
have that bowl, and you can have that bowl. Rob, great job.
Thank you.
Really
Rob, that is
fun
delicious.
idea.
Pickling, who knew?
I'm
right?
glad that you're into pickling now. Can't wait to see what you're into next. Rob's recipe and a link to his Cooking for Dads website is on our website by Rob. Go to
Watch-
TwinCitiesLive.com.
watching off.
See you later. I got